Welcome to episode 1 of the Tiger Cat. Here we have the Tiger Cat named Tiger, of course. Right now, the Tiger Cat is just watching, so I have to be careful so that he doesn't come at me. Look as he stares. He's so fierce. He's getting near and he's wagging his tail. He acts like he wants something. I think he wants prey. Look at him. He's so vicious. Hear his roar. His tiny little roar. Over here, we have the very rare, very rare, fluffy panther. I guess he's buddies with the tiger, which is so odd. But they are. Look at him. He's so fuzzy. It's like the softest, fuzziest panther. And these are not found in the US. Except for now. These are very young tiger and panther. So they are not very vicious. So I got to go. But you know, I'll see you next time when we watch the tiger eat some prey. So join in for episode 2. Ta-ta for now.